I'm really excited to be here with EX3 for the grand opening of the Digital Suite.
Thank you.
In today's rapidly evolving world, the need for creative solutions and cutting-edge technology has never been more crucial. And EX3 has always risen to this challenge, pushing boundaries and setting new standards. This digital suite represents a hub where the most innovative ideas will come to life, where technology will be harnessed to solve complex problems, and where the future will be shaped.
Here is the heartbeat of EX3. We could not be who we are without these individuals. I want you all to think about this space as yours. How can you leverage it to take your initiatives to the next level?
Come to the Digital Suite. We have live demos, we have robotics, we have AR, VR. In addition to that, we also have generative AI capabilities built into demos where you can live test large language models in real time. So you name it, you dream it, we actually bring these technologies to life where you can see, touch, feel, and actually understand the technology.
Like, this is a way for everyone to literally play in innovation in a meaningful way for their organization without building out an entire innovation team and the cost and infrastructure that comes with it. This allows you to be agile in ways that I don't think historically companies, large and small, haven't been able to do so.
The power of being able to bring design thinking into development of new ideas. The maturation from idea and problem definition all the way through to solution. Being a member of the Digital Suite and having access to that's a very powerful way to turn on the light bulbs of innovation.
We prioritize design, strategy, and technology all in one.
And also helping them pinpoint problems they didn't even know they had.
We can fit and design a solution for any particular use case.
So when I think of EX3 Labs, I think of innovation. I think of the ultimate sandbox where you can not only ideate, but work with people who can take you through the design process, make sure that you have not only a well thought out idea, but then take you through the implementation of that idea all the way to building the application.
It's a must-see. You've got to come and see things in person that you wouldn't normally find out when you're working with a business virtually.